Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Sarah, and we are going to get started with our morning meeting today. So we're going to start with our calendar, our good morning song, and then we're going to go into the song that we practiced yesterday, our new song for morning meeting, which is Days of the Week. So to begin, we're going to start with our good morning song like we do every day. So we're going to hold up two hands. Are we ready? Let's get started. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you, very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good, my friends. I love that you all participated in your song with me. Now let's get started on our calendar. First, what I want to look at is our pattern pictures. So when we look at the pictures in our pattern, let's get a little closer. Our pattern is rainbow, rainbow, umbrella. Now let's look at our recent pattern. I have an umbrella, a rainbow. So what is the next picture in our pattern? I have one rainbow, so my next picture is going to be a rainbow. Sarah's going to draw it. Okay, good. We have our pattern picture in there. So we have rainbow, rainbow. I want you guys to think about what is going to be our picture tomorrow. Can you take a guess? If I have rainbow, rainbow, what picture is going to be in our pattern tomorrow? What do you predict it will be tomorrow based on what you see? All right. Now we are going to look at our numbers. Yesterday we had the number 13, a 1 and a 3, and when we put them together it makes the number 13. What number comes after 13? One strategy we can use is we can count on our calendar to find out what number comes next. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, say it with me, 14, 14. And what two numbers do I need for 14? I need a 1, and then I need a 4. And when I put them together, I get the number 14. Very good, my friends. Now let's talk about our days of the week. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. All right, can you say the date with me now? Today is Tuesday, April 14, 2020. All right, let's sing our song now. Today is Tuesday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Monday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Ding dong, ding, ding dong, ding. Very good, friends. Now we're going to practice our days of the week song again. Now remember, there's 7 days in a week. So you can hold up 7 fingers. You can do it like this if you want. But you have to have 5 on one hand because you have 7 fingers. Alrighty, let's get started.
7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in a week.
And that is it, my friends, for our morning meeting today. I will see you guys later.